Government ministers, Permanent Secretary, senior government official, stakeholders, event partners and members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, families and friends. Nisa Ramnaka and good morning to you all. It is pleasing to be here this morning, especially to witness that you have come out in numbers to take part in an event that will no doubt be etched in the country history. Today we gather to celebrate sports on this inaugural National Sports Day. I wish to begin by thanking the organizing committee for putting their tireless effort into the smooth running of today's program, which will be held simultaneously across all centers in the 4 divisions. Today marks a landmark occasion in the history of our nation. I use the term landmark because it is the first time ever we as a nation will join hands to collectively participate in nationwide programs to commemorate appropriate sports in the country. Your presence here this morning is indicative of this symbolic gesture. Your turning out in numbers paints the clear picture that you are indeed committed to your health and well-being. This is part of the reason government has set aside this day to advocate the need of an active lifestyle. The National Sports Day holiday was endorsed by Cabinet on the 2nd May of 2014 and is specially set aside to allow all citizens of Fiji to understand the benefit of participating in sport activities and to celebrate sports as a means of acquiring required physical fitness for a healthy daily routine. I wish to turn your attention to the value that sport as in our nation. We as an individual rarely take the time to think about what sport can do for us, both individually and collectively. This strong evidence that taking part in sports improve health with associated economic benefits. Whatever our age, there is a good scientific evidence that being physically active can help us lead healthier lives. Regular physical activity can reduce the risk of many chronic conditions, including coronary heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, cancer, obesity, mental health problems, and many more. Participation in physical activity and sport has been effective for reducing depression, anxiety, psychological distress, and emotional disturbance. And I believe you are all aware, thus your attendance in number today, to enjoy, relax, and have some fun through sports. The exercise as well documented benefits both physical and mental health. People, when they enjoy through sports, enjoy great fulfillment, which is at least as important as an economic imperatives. Sports has been regarded as an agent of social change. Sports will continue to be a major vehicle of youth development in Fiji as we continue to recognize its contribution to Fiji's Fiji's economy, national unity, and social inclusiveness. It has a multiple effect on any nation or society. There is definitely no barrier to sports, and there is mostly absolutely nothing that sports cannot achieve. It has brought people of all races together time and time again, and this I can confidently say will never cease. Sports are an extremely important part of people's lives. They provide a space of building social ties, for self-improvement, and in this modern day and professional era, sports provide a source of living. We see young men and women leaving our shores regularly to take up employment in sports clubs or organizations abroad. I must admit that this is a fast emerging industry which holds great potential for a new career paths and profession for our local athletes. Remittance earned through sports are invaluable to the nation due to the ever-increasing marketability of our Fiji sporting prowess. Ladies and gentlemen, today's event is the culmination of a concerted effort to lessen the incidence of non-communicable disease and to address unhealthy life that is practiced and which is evident in our country. As such, government is working to promote a healthy lifestyle among all citizens of Fiji. This is by encouraging people to live active lifestyle, play regular sports, and adopt healthy living. To reduce the onslaught of non-communicable lifestyle diseases and therefore reduce national health bills. In the events leading up today, I constantly called on all communities to think about what they plan to do. This holiday is unlike none other, as we are called to actively participate as a nation for this worthwhile cause, to advocate, to earn and hold the health benefits of participating in sports, activities of sports participation, and to celebrate our nation sporting accomplishment. So therefore, I call you to continue on this momentum. Please ensure that government efforts in the safeguarding of our well-being prove worthwhile and fruitful. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed your day in fun, filled spirit, and I now have much pleasure in opening today's celebration sports program. Thank you, Pinagmaliabu, and Bahut Dandabat.